niko na kazi na jukumu ambao nimepatiwa na rais wetu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Kazi ya kuwakilisha watu walemavu 6.5 katika nchi ya Kenya. That is the largest constituency in Kenya. And issues of personal disability are cross-cutting. There must be something in every bill, in every motion, in every petition. I must contribute so that personal disability are not left behind. The constituency that I represent, which is the largest constituency in the Republic of Kenya. So I had no option but to be there before the speaker and to leave after the speaker and to be there every day and to make sure that I'm loyal to my duty. My parents also taught me that you should not earn without working. You should not eat from somebody else's sweat. Since I have been given a job by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta to represent persons with disability in parliament, not outside parliament, I must be in parliament, and I must always be in parliament. Other issues of persons with disabilities, developmental issues, are implemented by the arm of government called the executive. So I thank Mzalendo for ranking me as the best performing member of parliament. I had no option anyway. And I also thank my family for giving me humble time to be there on time. I also thank my employees in my various businesses for doing their work and their duty diligently so that I get enough time to be in parliament. I also thank my wife for giving me an opportunity and not disturbing me and taking care of my kids so that I can also get more time to be in parliament and also to study and to read more on legislative work. And for those members of parliament who are saying then you should not have been ranked and some of them have not been in parliament and that they are doing other duties like last mile connectivity, tarmacking of roads, marraming of roads, building of schools. Let me tell you, Kenya have a shortage of fools. They know our constitution, and our constitution have divided the arms of government into 3. The legislative arm, the judiciary, and the executive arm of government. The legislative arm, which is parliament, have a duty, 3 duties: oversight, representation, and legislative. Kutengeneza sheria. Hakuna kazi ingine. Ile ya kutengeneza barabara, ile ya kuwekea watu stima, ile ya kuwekea watu maji ni kazi ya executive arm. Kama barabara imefika kwenyu ya lami, hiyo ni kazi ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Kama kazi maji imefika kwenyu, hiyo ni kazi ya Jubilee. Kama stima imefika kwenyu, hiyo ni kazi ya Jubilee administration ambayo inaongozwa na Uhuru Kenyatta na William Ruto. Hiyo ndio kazi yao ya executive ya kuimplement projects. Kazi ya mwanasiasa, kazi ya mbunge ambao ulimchagua ni kufanya kazi ndani ya bunge, ya oversight, ya legislative na ya representation. Asikudanganya ati iko kazi nyingine anatakiwa kufanya.